If your grooves sound boring and you're already using ghost notes, are you using drags or buzz rolls? That's my question. First of all, what's the difference between the two? Very little, quite frankly. The application is almost exactly the same. AKA, the application is
Spice up your grooves, make grooves sound better.
the actual technical answer is it adds extra texture and nice things to your grooves. Anyway, a buzz roll is also known as a press roll. And it's quite hard to tell on the snare drum, but this is the only snare drum to hand. You actually press into the drum to get it. But we're just doing it with the left hand, where you potentially would put a ghost note in a groove normally. Really sounds good on the of 4. Next, drags. 2 little tiny baby ghost notes in your left hand. That's it. Both drags and buzz rolls have slightly different textures, different effects, but it's good to be able to do both. So I'm going to play a bar with drags and then a bar with buzz rolls at the end. You can notice it a lot more on higher tuned snare drums, just FYI. Go away, experiment, and enjoy making your grooves much more interesting than they were before.